Your dream garden welcomes you to know the fascinating history of eggplant, health benefits and also global varieties. The eggplant, scientifically known as Sonum melongena, is a versatile vegetable native to India and Southeast Asia. Eggplant is believed to have been domesticated in South Asia and East Asia from the wild nightshade species Sonum incenum. It was cultivated for its edible fruit and medicinal properties. The earliest written references to eggplant appear in ancient texts, such as the Charka and Sushruta Sanhitas from India around 100 BC, which describe its health benefits. Additionally, a 5th century Chinese agricultural book mentions eggplant. These illustrations of eggplants are taken from select works of ancient Chinese literature. In medieval Europe, eggplant was initially met with suspicion due to its association with the nightshade family, which includes toxic plants like belladonna. It was even nicknamed mad apple because people believed it could cause insanity.
Wow! Eggplants!
In the 17th century AD, Europeans observed the white eggplants and began referring to them as eggplants due to their resemblance to chicken eggs. Arab traders introduced eggplant to Spain, and from there, it spread across Europe and the America. By the 19th century, both purple and white varieties were cultivated widely. Eggplants are known as brinjals in India and Southeast Asia, while in Europe and some other countries, they are referred to as aubergines. Brinjals come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes and colors. They range from small green cherry-sized varieties to large pear-shaped ones. Eggplant is regarded as a healthy addition to the diet. Rich in antioxidants, they contain anthocyanins, which help protect cells from damage. Studies suggest that eggplants may help reduce the risk of heart disease due to their antioxidant content. Blood sugar control. The fiber in eggplants can help regulate blood sugar levels. Being low in calories and high in fiber, eggplants can support weight loss efforts. They contain potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, which contribute to stronger bones. The fiber in eggplants promotes healthy digestion and supports gut bacteria. Eggplants can be prepared in various ways, including grilling, frying, or combining them with other vegetables. While they have a slightly bitter taste when raw, cooking significantly reduces their bitterness. Let us explore the diverse varieties of eggplants and learn how they are used in various recipes from around the world. Chinese eggplants are slender and typically measure 15 to 20 centimeters in length. Their thin skin ranges in color from violet to bright purple, while the inner flesh is white and virtually seedless. Known for their light, sweet flavor, Chinese brinjals are available year-round. They are commonly used in recipes featuring spicy garlic sauce and dishes with bold, fish-based flavors. Japanese eggplants are long, slender, and deep purple in color, with a thinner skin compared to globe brinjals. They have a light, slightly sweet flavor, making them ideal for stir-fry dishes and simple grilled miso eggplant recipes. Italian eggplants typically measure between 20 and 25 centimeters in length. Their glossy deep purple outer skin is soft, while the inner flesh is firm white and speckled with tiny edible seeds. When cooked, they develop a rich, creamy texture and a delicious flavor. These are available year-round. Indian eggplants are small, dark purple eggplants known for their sweetness, tenderness, and thick skin. They stand apart from other varieties and are widely used in Indian cuisine, especially in dishes like gutti vankai and bagara bangan. Their rich flavor makes them perfect for grilling, curries, and stuffing, enhancing a variety of recipes. Thai eggplants are small, round, and typically measure between 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter. Their outer skin is smooth, glossy, and ranges in color from dark to pale green. Spicy Thai curry, made with brinjals, and stir-fry made with garlic are the main ones in Thailand. Globe or American eggplants, which are the most common type of brinjals found in most areas. They are large in the shape of a pear. They have soft, glossy, dark purple skin. Fairy tale eggplants, true to their name, have a sweet and tender flesh with striking purple and white stripes. They are well suited for grilling and cook very quickly, making them a delightful addition to various dishes. Graffiti eggplants are also known as zebra or Sicilian brinjals, which have the same color as fairy tale eggplants. They are purple and white striped. Their seeds are small and the skin is thin, making them very useful for whole eating. Rosa bianca eggplants, which are round, white and lavender in color with a length of 8 to 12 centimeters. These contain much less bitterness. These plants grow up to a height of 2 or 3 feet. White eggplants. As the name suggests, these brinjals have white or light lavender-colored skin. They have a slightly sweeter and lighter taste as compared to the purple varieties. White brinjals are often used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. Thai pea, turkey berry, devil's fig, pea eggplant, plate brush or susamba, is a bushy, erect and spiny perennial plant used horticulturally as a rootstock for eggplant. Green brinjals. There are different types of size and shape. They appear in round, oval to long and cylindrical shapes. Green brinjals are mostly available at the end of the spring season. Bengan ka bharta. Though it is said that bengan ka bharta originated in Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent, it is also made across India with lots of variations. The world of eggplants is vast and full of surprises. The variety you choose can completely transform your dishes, bringing new textures, flavors, and colors to your table. So why not step out of your comfort zone and experiment with something new? If you like this video, please click on the like button, share it to your near and dear. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, if not subscribed earlier. Thanks for watching this video. It is from your Dream Garden by Konlarav Yelisetti.